trying out the GoPro. Say hey.
Hey.
Wave at the camera. Look at that. Oh, catfish. Watch out.
Catfish.
Don't let that one get you.
Oh, that's a good fish. That's a good catfish.
You got something to get them off?
Yeah, just got a firefighter.
Are you want to look at them?
Yeah.
All right, but don't touch them. Just look. You see it?
That's a friendly.
You got this. Little Lolo, he's gonna catch the first fish on this rod. You got it, baby. Come on. Keep going, keep going. Here, you want me to help you?
Yeah. Give fish for me.
And another catfish. No, yeah. Dang it.
I got fish.
Good job, baby. Look at him. High five, baby.
Come on, these boats.
Bloop. You wanna get one more?
That's my catfish, Lolo.
Yep, tell him bye-bye.
Bye. Bye. Dad, we can go. Dad,
Hmm?
go up nighttime. We can fly. Okay, night.
Oh, he got out. Dang it. You having fun?
Uh-huh.
You gonna send that to Mama?
Uh-huh.
Rose. Thank you.
Let's go get some.
You want some ice cream? Go with Lolo.
Good, this is cool. What kind of ice cream you want? Snickers bar? That's orange green, you sure? Is that good? It's a popsicle. It's not ice cream. You want popsicle?
He likes popsicles.
That's what he wants.
Take a bite. Good one. Come here. You want to go look?
Yeah.
Come on.
Hold me.
Come here. Well, come here. Watch that rod. Look at him.
Boy, you hit that thing hard, didn't
Is that on your crab?
you? No, frozen shrimp.
Dang.
Nice running though.
Hard head or gapped up? Hard head.
Dang, that's a good one.
Gap top.
That's a caper then.
That's a gap top.
Look at that, baby.
Wasn't expecting that.
Now he put up a fight, didn't he?
He did.
Sometimes I like eating those better than steak. I love when they fry up.
Take a picture.
Go talk to him. He's gonna fly away. He's about to go. There he goes. All right, there he goes. There.
Hey, bird. Hey, bird. Hey, bird. What are you doing right there? I have to look at the floor and get him.
Oh.
Still fighting fish?
Yeah. Oh, that's.
That's a little rod.
I can't tell.
I just loosened the drag.
Oh, that's another catfish. Dang it. What the heck? Nope.
Settle down.
The bite.
I'll take them off. Or you
I
missed that one?
hate this one.
Hey, caught a fish. Maybe it'll start hitting again, like he said.
This one.
Be nimble.
Yes, story.
Jack, be quick. He jumped over that candlestick, but he didn't jump high enough. And he caught his pants on fire. And then it got hot.